Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi made India's strong pitch for a more prominent role in the United Nations Security Council today. Addressing the General Assembly via video conferencing due to the pandemic, the Prime Minister also offering that India's vaccine production delivery capacity will be used to help humanity in fighting COVID-19.
Measures that are in place.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi made the strongest pitch for including India in the United Nations Security Council. In a virtual address at the 75th session of the United Nations General Assembly, the PM asserted that it's high time for mega reforms within the UN.
The President will oversee the implementation.
भारत के लोग संयुक्त राष्ट्र के रिफॉर्म को लेकर जो प्रोसेस चल रहा है उसके पूरा होने का बहुत लंबे समय से इंतजार कर रहे हैं। आज भारत के लोग चिंतित हैं कि क्या ये प्रोसेस कभी एक लॉजिकल एंड तक पहुंच पाएगा। आखिर कब तक भारत को संयुक्त राष्ट्र के डिसीजन मेकिंग स्ट्रक्चर से अलग रखा जाएगा।
UNSC is the UN's highest decision-making forum at present, which has only 5 permanent members. The US, the UK, China, France and Russia, each of whom has veto powers. The Prime Minister also gladly shared India's stellar role in helping over 150 nations as the world battles COVID, one of the biggest crises facing humanity. Prime Minister said the vaccine being developed by India is set to enter the 3rd stage of clinical trials.
भारत की वैक्सीन प्रोडक्शन और वैक्सीन डिलीवरी क्षमता पूरी मानवता इस संकट से बाहर निकालने के लिए काम आएगी।
I'm honored.
Despite Pak Prime Minister Imran Khan's rabble-rousing speech attacking India on Friday, Prime Minister Modi refused to give the neighbouring nation any credence but highlighted the dangers posed by terrorism.
भारत की आवाज मानवता, मानव जाति और मानवीय मूल्यों के दुश्मन आतंकवाद, अवैध हथियारों की तस्करी, ड्रग्स, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग के खिलाफ उठेगी।
With the assistance of the Occupational Safety and Health.
Prime Minister Modi's statesman-like speech also had a strong message for the global powers. India must get its rightful place in the world body.
More importantly, the Indian Prime Minister spelled out how economic reforms are the need of the hour, and Atmanirbhar Bharat as part of self-reliant India is something that India has been focusing on with inclusiveness, with inclusive politics, talking about fighting discrimination, fighting gender discrimination, as also spelling out security concerns and how India is going to fight for humanity and against terrorism. In New Delhi, Geeta Mohan for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.